Holidays. The whole world loves them. That's why there's so many. Christmas, Easter, Hanukkah. The one thing they all have in common, nightmare. And I was about Thanksgiving dinner. We are all clear.
President of the United States.
Thank you all for being here today. Family fun for one of my favorite presidential traditions, the pardoning of the Thanksgiving turkey. Only one special bird will be spared from this terrible yet delicious fate.
Daddy, it's this.
Chard, I love you,
Please.
but that turkey's not big enough. No.
There's a cat.
Turns out my life wasn't over.
Mr. President, you have returned to Camp David.
Wait, TV.
Previously on Mundo del Amor, one-eyed orphan Alejandro is thrown out of the orphanage for being different. By all, Alejandro lives alone in the streets of Tijuana until one day he becomes a man.
Are you having a hunger emergency? You need to eat right now. We can save the day with P. Call 1-800-PI now.
El Solo Lobo and makes $1 million pesos. He buys a jet. He buys a tiger. His lover. No, yo soy El Solo Lobo.
Hold on.
Hey! Start the idiot Freedom Front and
Ted Hunt!
You don't have to.
Enemy approaching.
Should we report this?
Too much paperwork. Let's roast him.
Copy that.
Chrononaut 1, are you ready to be the first human being to travel through time?
Yes, sir! He better be. Chances of survival are almost zero.
Wait, you never said anything.
That's on a need-to-know basis, sir.
Control, we have a contaminant in chamber 47.
Copy that. What type, Agent? That is very weird, Agent. With cranberry sauce. Funny, right?
But seriously, we should deal with the contaminant.
Copy that. All units report to Level H. Exterminate with extreme prejudice.
Go, go, go! Mr. President, once the countdown starts, we will not be able to stop it.
Understood, General.
T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
What's the problem?
Turkey, sir. Chrononaut 1, get out of there!
Oh, thank you. Help me!
I am not going up there.
I'm not going out there.
I'm definitely... Oh.
Sorry, bro.
2 weeks from retirement.
Good luck. Ow, my foot!
Finally, some me time.
End of the line for you.
You can't let Standish.
I can see that. Now keep looking.
Yes, sir.
They're here. Oh, I can feel it. Come here, you! Whoa!
Bradford, come out here!
Get out here, Governor Bradford!
Please, gentlemen, please, settle down, all right? Now, as you know, we have not stored enough food to see us through the winter. See that hill? That's last winter. That will be all of us if we do not become friends with the Indians. We need their help. Without it, we will not survive, all right? Oh!
You call that a bounty?
Standish, the people want my head. And if we do not have the feast, I'm afraid they will take it. We need food. Anything at this point.
I said I would get you turkeys. And that's what you are going to get. Even more than you can eat.
Right, well, good chat. Talk tomorrow. What a personality.
You were wondering what? These turkeys. They're up to something. So tomorrow, we start off in this direction.
That was me good map.
Good morning, everyone. Just try to keep up.
Something's wrong.
It's magic.
Centerpieces. Thanksgiving is happening tomorrow. The hunters are returning. If only we could see what's inside. Hey, where are the dogs? I think they're outside. Stupid.
What is it? It's... Ah!
Okay, Fernie. Oh, we're under attack! Sound the alarms! Fortify the gate, little one! I'll make sure the food is safe! Captain Standish, thank God you're here. Are you gonna eat that corn? Oh, what are we going to do? Please say it wasn't the Indians.
It wasn't the Indians.
Ah, well, a traitor in our midst, perhaps. Well, I should say they've succeeded, eh?
Well then.
Oh dear.
Show me the way.
Awesome. Now, if you are done, you need to go back in time, give young Jake his destiny.
Those are some angry birds.
Get the cannons.
Cannons? For turkey?
Ready? Fire!
I'd like to introduce the great...
What is it? We should really do this more often.
Well, this is way outside my free delivery zone.
You should try the breadsticks too. They're delicious.
I thought I wanted to be alone. El Solo Lobo.